Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank. I'll be the man behind the camera for this first portion of the video, and after that we're gonna get a professional driver here on the channel. Like you guys saw in the title and the thumbnail, we're going out with the rear-wheel drive E36 to have some winter shenanigans. So before the video starts, guys, it's gonna be weird. I'm gonna do it upside down. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. So what we're gonna do is clean the snow out of the car. Like you guys can see, we got a beautiful snowy day here in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. Like I said, I will not be driving. There will be a professional driver that will be driving the car today. So let's start her up. Turn all the lights on. I don't know if you guys can hear the Remus exhaust. Sounds pretty good, not very loud, but it does the job. Yes, I do have a squeaky door, very squeaky door. So let's take the snow out, and then we'll switch position with the professional driver that will be driving us to the closed course. And we will be watching him do some winter shenanigans. Hopefully the camera picks this up good, guys. I had a video that was supposed to go up this week about a new daily driver that I have purchased, and it is a Volvo, so I think you guys will be super happy about that. But unfortunately, some unfortunate things happened with it. Pretty much I believe the tensioner for the timing belt came loose, and the timing belt is wobbly a little bit, so I'm not gonna take a chance and drive it around, show it to you guys. It will come very soon. I also had some things planned for the E36 steering wheel wise. You guys know every single car I buy I have to do a steering wheel, right? So but that video might never happen, unfortunately. We had some issues with the steering wheel itself we ordered, and yeah, the quality just wasn't up par to what I ordered. So things happen, guys, but let's get right into it. I'll put this away and we'll get straight on the road. Let me know, by the way, guys, if you all like these types of POV videos, POV drives. These are very fun to film because I actually don't need to do that much. Just keep the camera on my forehead and... Alright, so I'm just gonna switch place, guys, with the professional driver that will be taking place, which is not me. Let's switch place with the professional driver.